In this tutorial, we will examine how Flipgrid can be used in various disciplines. First, you should log into your Educator Flipgrid account, and from the Flipgrid homepage, you will select the Educator login. You will then select the Microsoft login for our @wssu.edu email extension. At this point, you will then be logged into your educator account in Flipgrid. And to begin the process of identifying Flipgrid topics that can be used across disciplines, you will notice that there are 6 options across your toolbar. You have discussion, discovery, activity, mixtapes, shorts, and grid pals. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will select the Discovery tab. You will notice under the Discovery page that there are approximately 26,000 topics that have been created across disciplines as well as various groups from kindergarten all the way to higher ed and even professional development sessions that have been facilitated. And for this example, we can select the View All Topics, and you will note that you can sort the topics by the newest and oldest. You can sort by subject matter. Computer science, engineering, etc. are in this box. You can also sort by the audience. So we will be selecting the higher education audience. And let's say, for example, you wanted to find a topic related to nursing. So I will type in nursing, and we are limiting our search to nursing as well as all topics related to higher ed. And you will note that there are multiple topics that have previously been created by other professors and instructors across the United States higher education landscape as well as those overseas. And for instance, if I selected the BLM and racism in nursing example, we will see that Connie Bishop created this particular Flipgrid. She has given instructions on how she is using this in her course. She states that this can be used with nursing students and with working nurses, professional associations to spark a discussion on the Black Lives Matter movement and racism. You will note that she has included a short YouTube video clip for the students to view, as well as some additional instructions to engage them in discussion. Also, we will note if you are teaching math, you can do a search on math either in the topic box or you can select math among the topics. And if there is a specific topic related to math you are looking for, so I'm going to type in Riemann sums. We will see that there is one topic that has been previously created by Don Archie, and this is being used to introduce students in a calculus class about the Riemann sums. So we see that even in nursing as well as mathematics, that Flipgrid can be used to engage your students not only in discussion but to have in-depth engagement with the course content. Another example, if you are teaching in the science discipline, we see that science is listed in the subject matter drop-down box. And if we wanted to find something related to data analysis, we can type that in as the topic. And we will see that there is a previous topic that has been uploaded where students are engaging in a experiment and collecting data as it relates to the climate change and the impact on fish. We also see in this same drop-down box, so we want to remove the science, if we were looking for something related to business, and let's say we typed in something related to how to interview effectively and preparing for an interview. So if we selected ACE that interview, we see that Ronell has created a sample activity where students will have the opportunity to engage in preparing for an interview and how they would present themselves and describe themselves in a few short sentences. And lastly, we're going to select as a potential subject if you are teaching music. So we want to remove our topic. And you see again that there are multiple topics that have already been created. So I'm going to select this, the feeling of music. This is where students will have the opportunity to analyze a song and to describe what the song is about and even the feelings that are evoked from listening to that particular song choice. If you find a topic that you would like to incorporate into your course and you just simply want to make a few edits to the discussion prompt, you can simply select at the bottom to add the topic. Once you select Add Topic, you do have a few options. You can either select this individual topic to add to the home page of your Flipgrid account, or you can immediately add it into your specific course that you would like to use the topic in. So I'm going to select my course. You would then select Next, and this gives you the opportunity to revise and make any revisions to that prompt that you found related to the feeling of music. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I like everything that has been given, so I'm just going to say Update Topic. And now this specific topic, the feeling of music, has been added to my list of discussion topics. So when I select my course, I can see that it has been added. And I do have a second option that has been added that I will use in a different course. So we have examined using the Discovery tab how you can find different Flipgrids that have been created across various disciplines. So after you have added the topic to your course, and we are using the feeling of music, to add this specific topic to your Canvas course shell, you will navigate back to Canvas, select your course, and under your modules, you can add this particular topic as an option. So I will select the plus symbol, and I want to select external URL. And back at Flipgrid, I will select the feeling of music. And you will see it has a join code, and it gives you the ability to view what the students would see. So when I select that link, this is the link that students would see. So I'm going to copy this Flipgrid link back into my Canvas course shell, and I will enter that link here. The page name will be Flipgrid assignment, and then add item. So now this specific Flipgrid assignment about the feeling of music has been added to my module within Canvas. So I want to publish this. And now to see what the students would see, I will select Home, Student View, Modules, and we will select the Flipgrid assignment. Students will be required to sign in using their @WSSU email extension. And after doing so, students will then be able to see the new topic that you found, the feeling of music, and they have 3 locations where they can record their response. Here at the top, here in the middle of the page, as well as at the bottom of the page. In this tutorial, we have examined how Flipgrid can be used across various disciplines, how to locate a specific topic using the Discovery tab in Flipgrid, how to search for a specific subject, how to identify the audience, higher ed. We've examined how to add a topic to your course, selecting the Add Topic. You can add an individual topic or you can add it to your course shell. After that specific topic has been added, we reviewed the steps required to add the topic to the module in your course by selecting the student view URL and pasting that into your module. Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.